for another week. Well, this week we're celebrating the liquor from our neighbors to the south. It was National Tequila Day a couple days ago. This week we're making margaritas. Let's go! So we're making the margarita. Unfortunately, the history of the margarita really falls into a gray area. Well, why is that? Well, like a donkey show, nobody knows really who, when, or where it was created. Everybody has a story. There's a million of them. What we really know, it's part of the Daisy family. We talked about daisies earlier on in our little adventure here with our Texas daisy. If you're interested, you can go and find it on the Instagram. What we do know is that it was first documented as a cocktail in the 1930s. In Mexico, obviously. At least that was the first time it was actually documented in a book. If you're interested, the book was called My New Cocktail Book. Good luck finding it. Oh, and Jimmy Buffett really brought it to prominence when he decided to write a stupid song about it, because that needed to happen. All right, I'm parched. It's hot. Let's make this cocktail. So your basic margarita is tequila, obviously. You got your lime juice. You want something sweet. You can use a simple syrup. Granted, that's not going to give you your margarita. You want to use something like Cointreau, triple sec. You want to give a little extra citrus in there, some more orange. Some people like things a little bit sweeter, so what you can do is you can cut your Cointreau or triple sec in half. So just do half that and then half of your sweetener. So you can use anything for a sweetener. You have your agave syrup, which would really go with this, and your simple syrups, or like a cordial or something like that. But what we're going to use is for Demer or simple syrup, but we, instead of 1:1, we've actually did it. It's like 1.5 to 1, so it's 1.5 parts water to 1 part sugar. So it's a little thinned out, but it should help us out. It'll control the sweetness a little bit better too, because you don't really want your margarita to be super sweet. You want it to be balanced, maybe even a little bit more on the citrusy side. You definitely want to be able to taste the tequila. You know, some people they like to drink cocktails, but they don't want to taste the booze. So you have that option. As far as tequila goes, I like a reposado in a margarita, but you can do a blanco, you can do an añejo. I like the middleman. Añejo, some people would argue that that's maybe too old to put into a tequila. I don't think so. It depends on the age. But an añejo is more of a sipping tequila. So, your call. It's your drink. You do with it what you will. So this is going to be a shaken cocktail, so we will be building in our small tin. We'll throw some ice in here, shake, and then we'll drink. And man, do I love a margarita. Alright, so half an ounce of our thinned out Demerara. Let's do some first. Then half an ounce of Cointreau. A full ounce of our lime juice, because we like to be able to taste our citrus in our citrus cocktail. And we're going hard here, so this is going to be 2 ounces. Now we just have to shake it. So I already have a big cube and a little cube in here. I just wanted to chill the tin so we could shake it quick. Throw a couple more in there just to we'll just pour our nice little not cold margarita in there. We'll just shake. Oh, nice and foamy. There we go. Now we just have to quickly prep our coupe. We're not going to do this in a rocks glass over ice or anything. We're just going to do this in a coupe because we drink margaritas at a rate that they don't get cold. So we don't have to worry about having ice in them. Anyways, I won't do the whole rim, just a side. Thought we were in Mexico. Looks like Colombia. And we'll just pour this in. Lime on the side. Not the biggest fan of that, but for photos, okay. Then we say salud. Take a little liquid salt. Get you a nice mouthful of margarita. I mean, is there anything better than that? As always, I look at the salt again. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell. Alright guys, enjoy the margarita, or whatever cocktails you guys are drinking. You earned them. Here we go for another week, and I'll see you next. Cheers guys. Woo!